And she is here tonight, no, to show you what is this all about. So join me in welcoming ang action leader at ang beauty and brains nga, ika nga, ng Bindoro, ang kabiba pirata ko, Miss Lyra May Atilano. Mabuhay, Miss Lyra!
Hello everyone. Thank you so much, Miss Chona, for that very thoughtful introduction. No? Yes, talagang kapirata ito. Ayan, viva viva pirata. So, hello to everyone. Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening from all across the globe, di ba, yung ating participants for tonight. So, hold on lang ha. Ayan, ayusin ko lang yung aking camera kasi nag-unstable siya. Okay, so may I know po sino yung mga guests natin tonight? Can you click on the chat box, di ba? Key in the chat box. If you are a guest, can you type in thank you and the name of the person who invited you? Ayan, meron ba? May mga guests ba tayo dito? So let's start this with grateful heart, no? Let's be thankful dun sa mga tao na naisip tayo, di ba? And nag-send sa atin ng invitation for this webinar. Ayan. So, let's type in thank you. Ayan. So, thank you daw kay Joy. Who else? Do we have more guests right now tuning in? Ayan. Thank you kay Miss Myla. Kay Ran. Ayan. O, diba? So, talagang ito yung mga kasama natin sa negosyo na very much ang heart to serve, no, to share yung opportunity that they are in. All right? So, let me just share my screen para we maximize our time and ma-i-present namin sa inyo ano ba tong opportunity, okay, na gustong ipakita sa inyo ng mga taong nag-invite sa inyo. So, I'm Lyra. I'm 6 years in the business. And as mentioned ni Miss Chona kanina, I used to work in the travel industry. So, ito po yung buhay ko prior makita itong opportunity na ito. So, I used to travel the world. Parang ang sarap lang pakinggan, ano? Pero, matindi yung trabaho na yan. Huwag niyan na nating isana all. So, malala siya. Kasi ang OT namin dyan, 1 a.m., 5 a.m. So, mula sa booking hanggang sa makarating kami dun sa destination, ganun ka inclusive yung service na pinoprovide namin. But it was a very good phase of my life. I was able to travel to 21 countries in a span of 5 years. So this was in Czech Republic, ito sa Iceland. I've been to Japan times, to Korea 5 times ata. And I did mga kakaibang adventure din. Okay? So, kumbaga, nasulit ko naman siya. Okay? Until on my 5th year, I was on the pinnacle of my success already sa career. Kumbaga, yun na yung end ng career ladder. Wala na. Tapos na ang career ladder. Kasi I was already a manager, a sales manager at that time. And ang next doon ay Director of Sales and Marketing, tapos President. So definitely, hindi ako aabot dun sa President kasi hindi naman ako anak ng may-ari ng kumpanya or kamag-anak. Hindi rin ako magiging Director of Sales and Marketing kasi bata pa yon yung current na Director of Sales and Marketing namin. Kailan ba sila napapalitan? Pag namatay, di ba? O kaya kapag umalis ng kumpanya. So definitely, I wouldn't wish bad for that person. And mukhang hindi naman siya alis ng kumpanya kasi mas matagal pa siya sa akin eh, 'di ba? So 5th year I was looking for other opportunities talaga. So may I know dun sa mga guests natin tonight, kayo ba, are you also looking for opportunities na rin? So can you type in opportunities? Ayan, if you are also looking for opportunities na rin at that time na na-invite kayo nung mga na-mention nyo kanina, napasalamatan nyo kanina sa chat box, di ba? So, if you are looking for opportunities as well, then parehas po tayo. Okay? Because I had a dream job but not a dream life. Alam nyo, sobrang amazing nung how I was invited no into this opportunity kasi yung nag-invite sa akin, she's a flight attendant. So ako po, tourism graduate. Ang tourism na nagtapos ng tourism, no, ang goal na yan sa buhay talaga ay maging flight attendant. Okay? So, nung na-invite ako, nung flight attendant na mismo, I was like, ha? Talaga ba? Flight attendant na malaki ang pera sa pagiging FA. Pero, bakit nagnanegosyo pa rin siya? So, that got me curious, no? And buti na lang, tiningnan ko yung invite niya sa akin, yung opportunity na to, because ito po yung real score that time. So, yan ang buhay ko talaga. Beyond sa mga magagandang pictures that we can post online, ito ang katotohanan. So, grabe, sobrang poor health. Ayan, kasi nga 1 a.m., 5 a.m. ka pa naman matapos ng work eh. Tapos papasok ka ulit ng 9 a.m., 10 a.m. Di ba? Parang, buhay ka pa ba, girl? So, ganun siya katindi. And to the point na nag-alarm yung phone ko, 5 a.m., dapat gising na ako. Pero gising pa ako kasi nga nasa work pa, nagtatrabaho pa. So, ganito ka, ano no, ka lala yung status ng health ko that time. Pero I didn't mind kasi I was only 25 eh. Di ba pag 25, malakas pa naman tayo. Until yung friend ko na i-present itong opportunity. And sabi nga ni Warren Buffett, no, this is the main point why I actually said yes to the business. Kasi sabi ni Warren Buffett, isa siya sa pinakamayaman sa buong mundo. Kabilang siya sa top 5 before. Ngayon, I'm not much aware no kung nasa top 5 pa rin ba siya o top 10. But regardless, you get the point. Isa sa pinakamayaman sa buong mundo. So, kung isa siya sa pinakamayaman sa buong mundo, dapat lang pakinggan natin siya, tama? Kasi he made really good decisions in life. Kaya siya nakapunta sa level na yon. So sabi niya, never depend on a single source of income. And sabi ko, tama talaga kasi isa na nga lang yung trabaho ko, hindi na nga siya ganun ka laki yung nabibigay na income, na salary sa akin. Tapos, yung katawan ko, bugbog pa. Sobrang bugbog na bugbog sa trabaho. And right now, ito yung realidad ng money sa atin, no? As we age, yung expenses tumataas, and with the inflation going on, hindi kasi natin mapipigilan yung inflation. We can only ride, okay, inflation. We just ride along with it, di ba? Wala tayong magagawa to beat the inflation. But we can do something about the income that we are making. Okay? So, ang realidad ng income natin, kung isang trabaho lang, katulad nung ginagawa ko before, is hindi siya sumasabay yung paglaki ng income doon sa inflation. Tama po ba? Meron ba dito na nai-increasean sa work ng 3 times a year, 4 times a year? Parang wala naman, no? Usually, once a year tayo, twice a year. Tapos yung increase, magkano lang? 500 pesos, 1,000. Yung iba, baka swerte na may 2,000. So, ang liit lang nung increase, ano? Pero yung inflation, di ba, ang bilis-bilis niya? Right? So, anong nangyayari na hindi tayo nakakasabay doon sa bilis ng inflation, yung paglaki ng income natin? Ang tendency natin is nangungutang, no? Either personal loan or via credit card man yan o kung anumang form ng utang, definitely it's very present sa buhay natin. Tama po? So ako, relate ako dyan kasi I used to own siguro 5 credit cards that time. Tapos kapag lumalaki, tumataas na yung yung possession mo sa work, 'di ba? Nagkakaroon din ng lifestyle inflation, ganyan. Yung dati na nagko-commute lang, ngayon nag-grab na. So lahat 'yan mga naka-swipe sa card. Every time na pupunta ako ng ibang bansa, ayan, for the shopping. So doon ko naintindihan na hindi po pwede yung isa lang ang source of income, lalo na kung ang source of income natin ay active. Okay? So kung familiar ka na dito, active sa passive income, hopefully this is the time na mai-apply na natin yung learnings na yan. And if it is your first time to hear about it, then I hope the same thing, no, na mai-apply mo siya right after na tong very short webinar na to. Okay? So pag active income, ito yung trabaho, yung employment, ito yung traditional business. Okay? Kailangan ng effort, ng time that you put in para magkaroon ng income. Tama po, sa work, hindi naman po pwede na wala ka buong week pero may sahod ka. 'Di ba? Walang ganon. So, kailangan pumasok para may sahod. No work, no pay. Ganon din sa mga traditional business. Kanina may kausap ako, meron silang stall sa Divisoria. So, kapag sarado yung stall sa Divisoria, ibig sabihin wala rin silang kita. Okay, gets po? So, kailangan bukas ang negosyo. Kailangan may effort, may time na i-put in. So, ito nakakapagod kasi we need to work non-stop para lang kumita ng pera. The thing is, by 60, by 70, by 80 years old, kaya mo pa ba yung same amount of work that you're doing right now? Most probably not. Diba? Yung body natin, somehow it will deteriorate later on. Or hindi na siya sing lakas nung meron tayo right now. Ang daming ang memes ngayon, 'di ba? Yung mga trentahin, ganyan, nakakaramdam na ng mga sakit ng likod. Trentahin pa lang 'yan ha. So paano pa kapag 50 na, pag 60 na, 'di ba? Mas marami pa for sure. Now, what I would like you to understand from this meeting, no, is go for passive income. Pwedeng may active income ka, yung trabaho mo ngayon, pero okay lang ba, since naghahanap naman kayo talaga, actively looking kayo ng additional source of income, okay lang ba na yung maging additional source of income mo, hindi na siya active income, passive income naman. Okay, bakit? Kasi pagod ka na nga dun sa first job mo, kumuha ka pa ng part-time na active din, that will, tawag dito, need your consistent time and effort, no, para lang meron kang additional na income. Etong passive income, sa simula, active din siya, no? Kumbaga, pag e-effortan mo talaga siya, lalaanan mo ng time, medyo maliit pa yung income kasi you're still building a system. Pero later on, maliit na lang yung time, maliit na lang yung effort that you need to put in, pero yung income mo, tuloy-tuloy. 'Di ba? Sana all. Yan yung gusto natin, yung tuloy-tuloy yung pasok ng income, yung kahit natutulog ka, yung income mo dire-diretso, 'di ba? Kahit na walang sara-sarado dito. Walang sara-sarado ng stall, 'di ba? 24 hours yung business mo, dire-diretso siya. And this is only made possible through leverage income. Ibig sabihin, you are multiplying yourself. And your time, yung effort mo, meaning to say, yung mga makakasama mo sa negosyo, no, if they can put in like 4 hours, 6 hours a day, and then ikaw may 2 hours a day ka, instead na 2 hours a day lang yung meron ka sa business, you now have 12 hours a day. So, na-multiply mo yung sarili mo. That's leverage, my friends. 'Di ba? Kasi kapag work, wala pong leverage yun. Yung mga katrabaho mo, may kanya-kanyang role din sila, task din sila that they are being paid for. Yung trabaho mo, ikaw bala dyan. Di ba? Pero dito, in this business, possible yung leverage income. Okay? So, go for passive and leverage income. So, ano itong pwede nating magawa na passive income, okay, and matrabaho, ma-maximize yung leverage. It's a global distribution business. Meron siyang konsepto ng dropshipping pagdating sa logistics. Ibig sabihin, yung customer, punta siya sa website mo, and then yung orders niya, diretso na sa supplier. Yung supplier, siya na yung bahala na magpadala doon sa customer mo, whichever part of the globe. So kung may kakilala kang nasa Canada, nasa US, yung company, siya na yung bahala na magpa-deliver sa mga countries na to. And anywhere in the globe that you can see here sa screen na to. Okay, so ang importante dito sa konsepto ng e-commerce, ng dropshipping, direct-to-consumer, no, is that ano yung ino-offer mong products? Ano yung company that you are partnering with? Kasi marami namang mga gumagawa ng dropshipping, no? They can do Shopify, Shopee, Lazada, di ba? Pero kapag nag-shopping ka, for example, Lazada, halimbawa, benta ka ng skincare, something wrong with the products, di ba, pagdating sa client, parang ang daming dadaanan. Sino ba yung liable? Di ba, yung rider ba? Na sobrang init ba during delivery? Sa'yo ba? Mali ba yung pag-pack mo? Supplier mo ba? What if yung supplier mo hindi pa siya yung manufacturer? Gets nyo? Di ba? So, ang dami-daming liable dun sa, sa negosyo mo na yan. Whereas, ito, yung ino-offer namin na business, isang company lang ang pinartneran natin mula manufacturing hanggang sa distribution. And ang maganda dito, ang products that we are offering are nasa health and wellness industry, making the business very sustainable. Tama? Kasi during pandemic, everything shut down. Ano yung nagtuloy-tuloy lang? Ang pinaka-essential, everything that is on the health and wellness industry. Tama? So, it has to be highly consumable, di ba? Kumbaga, kailangan ng mga tao, mataas ang demand. And definitely, these are the products that we are offering the market, okay, with USANA. So, familiar na po ba sa USANA? Is it your first time to hear USANA? So, can you type in first? If first time mo siyang marinig. At if you've been hearing USANA before na, narinig-rinig mo lang, pero hindi mo pa alam how the business works, ano ba talaga yung mga products, ganyan. So, can you type in USANA, di ba? And if you are part of the community already, you're using the products maybe, or you're already a brand partner ng USANA, a new brand partner, can you type in sales? Ayan. So, hello sa mga ka-sales dyan. Okay, so meron tayong mga participants no, who are here na hindi pa nila totally alam yung USANA, narinig-rinig pa lang. So, my hope for you is, this would be the last time na mapapakinggan mo yung USANA na hindi ka pa part, na hindi ka pa nakakapag-type ng sales. So, I've been that person back in 2019. Narinig ko na yung USANA 2014 pa lang. It was officially introduced to me by a friend. Yun nga yung FA na kinikwento ko kanina in 2019. So, 5 years apart. Grabe, no? Pero it came at the right time. So, baka dun sa mga participants natin na ayan, na-experience na ng USANA before, pero hindi alam pa paano ma-grow yung business side naman ng USANA or hindi pa na-explore iyon, then this is the perfect timing for you. Okay? So, pakilala ko ulit sa inyo ang USANA. And for those na first time marinig ang USANA, I'm very much happy to be the very first person to introduce USANA sa inyo. Okay? So, USANA is a cellular nutrition company. We are a manufacturing company. What we manufacture are highest rated quality cellular nutrition products. So, ano ibig sabihin nun? Maraming mga multivitamins outside, mga nutritional supplements, but what makes USANA different? Okay? It's because we are on cellular nutrition. Ibig sabihin, yung nutrition na binibigay ng products natin umaabot hanggang sa cells. Okay? And yung cells, yan yung pinakaugat ng buhay natin. Pinakaugat ng buhay natin. So, get that. You cannot say you are healthy if your cells are not healthy. Ganon siya ka-importante. And lahat ng damages na meron on cellular level, ina-address na siya ng USANA. Para later on, hindi na siya lumaki at maging sakit. Okay? So, right now, for sure, most of us, we have been experiencing mga cellular damages. Akala lang natin, a sign of aging. Pero, cellular damages talaga sila. Halimbawa, nagising ka na from mahabang tulog. Ang haba naman ng oras ng tulog mo, 9 hours, 10 hours. Pero pagising mo, antok ka pa din. Pagod na pagod ka pa din. Yan, na-experience nyo ba yan? So that's one form of cellular damage, no? Kumbaga, mga nudges na yan ng katawan natin, di ba? Na something is wrong. Okay, what else? Yung kakakain mo lang, pero inaantok ka. Ayan. Hindi po yan siesta time. Talagang may cellular damages lang, okay? And then, yung pupunta ka ng kusina, may kukunin ka, di ba? Tapos pagdating mo sa gitna, ano nga bang kukunin ko dito? Ayan, may mga brain fog na tinatawag, no? So, nakakalimot na. Pag hindi po yan na-address, eto, listen to this, later on, yan po yung magiging dementia, yan po yung magiging hypertension, diabetes, cancer, so on and so forth. So, that's what USANA has been bridging for 33 years. Yung nutrition na kailangan ng cells natin. And we have been the industry leader, no, for the longest time, and publicly traded ang USANA sa NYSE, New York Stock Exchange, pinakamalaking stock market sa buong mundo. So dito secure ka, no, na talagang hindi ito yung company na lulubog lilitaw. Na ngayon, ito ang pangalan, after 3 years, iba na. So ito, Usana tayo mula simula hanggang ngayon. Okay? And for the rest of the generation pa na parating, no? Because sustainable ang business practices natin in Usana. So we are started by this man, Dr. Myron Wentz. He is a scientist. Hindi po siya hindi siya talaga negosyante. So scientist siya. Ang goal niya, ang role niya ay palakasin ang cells, pahabain ang buhay ng cells. Okay? So yun talaga ang nire-research niya. That's why when he founded Usana, ito yung dream niya talaga, ang vision niya, to have a world free from pain and suffering, free from disease. Okay, na hindi na tayo aabot dun sa pagkakasakit. Ngayon pa lang, first step na tayo towards prioritizing our health right through the roots, no? So that's the main goal of Usana, to keep human cells healthy. And this is our global headquarters. This is in Salt Lake City sa Utah. So napakalaking facility po na yan. Ang mga products natin dito po ginagawa. And grabe, state-of-the-art facility. Ang taas ng standard. In fact, kung ano po yung standard ng pharma companies, ibig sabihin yung mga gumagawa ng gamot, no, ganun po yung standard na meron tayo sa Usana. Hindi niya kailangan gawin yon, pero ganun kagrabe yung desire to really give the best of the best, no, para sa atin. So, yan. And these are the products that we offer in Usana, cellular nutrition products for health and lifetime opportunity. Yan naman yung sa business. So, ang galing na to kasi tumbok na tumbok ng Usana, di ba? Yung challenges that we face every day. Ito lang naman yan eh. Dalawa lang talaga eh. Health and finances. Magkakabit yan. Hindi maipaghihiwalay, di ba? So, kung parehas ito na address ng Usana, I mean, it's no-brainer. Why not? Diba? We check it for ourselves and we see how much we can grow through this opportunity. So on the health side, true health is true wealth, as cliche as it is. Lagi na nating naririnig yan. Pero totoo talaga, no? Wala tayong ibang ma-enjoy na wealth hanggang sa pagtanda natin, hanggang sa huling hininga natin, kundi itong health talaga na meron tayo right now. And ito na yung realidad ng health natin ngayon. Kahit tanggalin mo sa picture tong pollution, radiation, food pesticides, poor food choices, ito alone eh, di ba? Ever present in our daily life, yung stress, no? And alam nyo ba, stress alone can cause these diseases. Yung chronic stress, yung for the longest time, you've been experiencing stress. Ayan, ito po ang kahahantungan niyan later on. And these are the leading causes of death worldwide. Pansinin niyo sa graph, wala na po dyan old age. Naalala ko pa nung kabataan ko sa probinsya, pag may nalalaman kaming namamatay na elders, usually ang sinasabi, nakalimutan ng huminga, matanda na, di ba? Due to old age. Pero ngayon wala nang old age. Ang mga tao namamatay because of degenerative diseases, right? And pabata ng pabata. Makita mo sa TV, 7 years old, 15 years old, may chronic kidney disease. Grabe, di ba? So, ganun nakatindi yung realidad, yung status ng health natin. And surprisingly, no, sabi ni Dr. Linus Pauling from a long, long time ago, na nearly all diseases can be traced to a nutritional deficiency. Again, yung diseases daw, nagsisimula lang, nag-uugat lang sa nutritional deficiency. Kulang lang daw tayo sa nutrisyon. Ganito lang naman pala kasimple, di ba? Masyado natin kino-complicate ang buhay. So kung kulang lang tayo sa nutrisyon, then ang ibabalik natin nutrisyon. Tama? And that's what Usana has been doing for 33 long years. No? So this is our primary cellular nutrition support. It's called Cellsentials. Lahat ng essential na nutrients, micronutrients na kailangan ng katawan natin, mula sa hibla ng buhok mo hanggang sa kuko mo sa paa, literal, nandito na po siya, kompletos ricados. Wala ka nang hahanapin pang iba. Okay? So lahat ito ng micronutrients na to, no, in 2 bottles. So ito yung green, yan yung multivitamins and antioxidants. Yung blue naman yung minerals, no. So ito siya yung actual na itsura niya. Yan. So Cellsentials. And ito yung ma-experience mo na benefit ng sa essentials. Alam niyo po, sa akin, overnight lang. Ramdam ko na itong better sleep quality. Pag nag-take ako ngayong gabi, kinabukasan, ay, totoo nga yung sinabi ng friend ko, ang sarap nga ng tulog ko. Kasi kahit 4 hours lang ang tulog ko, para ako naka 6 to 8 hours of sleep. Sobrang deep, regenerative sleep talaga siya. Kumbaga lahat ng pagod ko, lahat ng stress ko the previous day, naglaho siya kinabukasan. Ganong level, okay? And then, I have all the energy in the world the following day. Right now, I'm on my third meeting, di ba? Pero as you can see, I still have the energy to do the webinar, no? And then, mapansin mo in a couple of days, gumaganda yung metabolism, regular yung bowel movement, gumaganda din yung skin, and it supports our immune system. Yung tipong lahat na nagkasakit sa opisina, pero ikaw nananatiling matatag. O kaya buong yung sa pamilya, mga naghawa-hawaan na sila ng colds, ng flu, pero ikaw hindi ka pa rin nakaka-catch yan ng flu, no? So yan yung ma-experience mo. So to all our brand partners, can you type in the chat box alin dito yung na-experience mo na, 'di ba? Para at least yung mga guests natin for tonight, makita nila na ay, hindi lang pala si Lyra naka-experience niya, no? And ang maganda po dito, ito lang yung nutritional supplement, walang label na no approved therapeutic claims. Dapat meron. Whatever you're using right now, i-check mo, no, kung may ibang brand kang ginagamit right now, i-check mo yung label, 'di ba? Yung packaging niya, whether you're using ako before ito, ang ginagamit ko before, yung pinakamurang ascorbic acid, yung potency, mura lang yan eh. Tapos, Berocca, yan. Lahat ng mga yon, meron silang no approved therapeutic claims. Dapat naman talaga, kasi hindi gamot. Ang wala lang pong label na ganito, gamot. Okay? Kasi may therapeutic claim. But in USANA, wala na po tayong label na no approved therapeutic claims. Okay? Kasi po, ang nakalagay sa likod ng bote natin na indication ay for prevention and treatment of multivitamins and minerals deficiency supports healthy cellular function. Okay? So, nakakatulong siya para dun sa mga sakit na nag-originate lang pala sa micronutrients deficiency. And diba, if we're gonna go back dun sa sinabi ni Dr. Linus Pauling, ano yung kulang lang sa atin? Nutrients. Yun lang naman talaga. The sad thing is, hindi natin nakukuha kasi lahat ng nutrients from the food that we eat. We are overfed but undernourished. Ang dami nating kinakain pero kulang sa nutrients na kailangan ng katawan. So lahat ng kakulangan na yon, eto na. Walang iba, eto na ang magbi-bridge. Siya na ang magtutulay ng kakulangan na yan from the food that we eat versus the nutrients that we are supposed to receive dapat, no? So ganun kaganda yung products that we have in USANA because more than 150 scientists on staff ang meron tayo. Hindi tinipid kahit sa sa mga scientists na nag-aaral, ano ba yung best ingredients, where to source, and nagtitest ng mga raw materials hanggang sa mabuo yung product, ititest ulit nila yan bago nila ma-out sa market. Okay, some companies they can even tawag dito, operate na walang scientist. So baka may isa lang, 'di ba? Ganyan. Pero sa atin, 150 scientists. Ganun yung dedication, commitment to science-backed products talaga. So, eto, pakita ko lang sa inyo. This is a third-party book para meron tayong reference na hindi lang USANA, 'di ba? Hindi lang sabi ng USANA. Eto, from a third-party research ng NutriSearch. NutriSearch is a Canadian company. What they did, compare nila over 1,600 products na meron sa US, Canada, Mexico, and Colombia. Ito po yung criteria nila. Nirate nila from 1 star to 5 star. 5 star being the highest. Sa hotel, ganun din. May criteria para 5 star ka. Kailangan complete ka sa amenities. Ito yung mga criteria pagdating sa supplementation. Kompleto ba? Potent ba? Ibig sabihin, effective, may vitamin E forms ba, etc. Ito, sobrang amazing na to. Number 14, Lifespan Essentials. Alam niyo po sa graph, ang USANA, sa number 14, 100% nakakatulong makahaba ng buhay. Grabe no? So if that's your goal to enjoy life, di ba? humaba pa ang buhay mo, para ma-experience mo pa mga gusto mo ma-experience in life, then this is the product for you. Okay? And then ito, number 16, potential toxicity. Dito nagkakatalo. No? Meron ba tong damage sa liver and kidneys if taken in the long run? And with USANA, sa graph naman dun sa book, 0% ni katiting, walang nakitang any harmful chemical that can damage the liver and kidneys. Ganun kaganda. Kaya nga, ito yung result ng study. Out of 1,600 products, USANA Essentials, siya lang po ang nakakuha ng 5-star Platinum Plus. Okay? Platinum Plus, ibig sabihin pharmaceutically graded. Walang iba na pharma graded in the whole wide world. USANA lang. So kung ganito kaganda, number 1, highest rated na nutritional supplement, only pharma grade na nutritional supplement, no? Why would you settle for number 2, for number 3, for number 4? Baka mamaya pang number 100 pa yan yung tinitake mo, di ba? So gets niyo yung point? So ganun lang ako may isip, very logical. Ay, ito pala yung best of the best, number 1, hindi yan yung gagamitin ko because my body deserves the best of the best. Di ba? So ang kanyang absorbability level, no, ay 96.1%. Out of 100%, yan yung pumapasok diretso sa cells. Compare natin yan sa kilalang brand, Centrum, no? So, ito, ang Centrum para sa akin, premiadong brand. Pangmayaman, ganyan. Ganyan ko siya tingnan before, no? Hindi ko afford, ganyan. Kasi ito yung, alam mong, pinapadala ng mga balikbayan. Nasa mga balikbayan boxes to ng mga kamag-anak abroad, di ba? So parang feeling mo, grabe, ang bongga, ang ganda ng quality na to. Pero nagulat ako dito sa book, no, it's only half star. Not even 1 star. Half star lang siya. And 5.2 lang yung nare-receive ng katawan natin out of 100%. Diba? So 94.8% natatapon. Sayang. Lugi ka, di ba? Kung ito yung ginagamit mo, sayang yung pera, no? So, kaya yung mga ganitong webinar, no, exploratory call na ginagawa ng brand partners ng USANA, this is very important kasi dito natin nakikita yung science-based na hindi lang basta kung sino yung nag-endorse, pero ano ba talaga yung kalidad ng products, and wala yan sa commercial Tama? Wala naman sa commercial yan. Ito po ang rating namin. Ito po yung absorbability level, di ba? So, ganun po nakita yung importance of calls like this, no? Kaya I'm very grateful to the person who shared to me what USANA is all about. Kasi right now, I'm 32, hindi po ako nakaka-relate sa mga memes na mga trentahe na masakit na daw ang likod, konting tayon, sakit ng tuhod. Wala po ako noon. Ayan. Because 6 years ago, I took that bold step to really make health my priority by choosing USANA. I hope you do the same tonight, okay? So, yan yung actual na itsura ng nasa libro, and this is USANA Health Sciences 5-star Platinum Plus. Okay, so ngayon, ang question na lang dyan is, okay, ang ganda ng USANA, pero magkano? Feeling ko kasi mahal, ganyan. Kasi nga, ang ganda, grabe yung quality. But to my surprise, no, it's only 16.47 pesos per tablet. So, para siya, ang isang pares niya ay 33 pesos in a day. If you're gonna take it in minimal dosage, ito yung recommended, no, ideal na take talaga, 2 pairs a day, 66 pesos yan per day. Okay, 38 nutrients. So, wala pang 1 peso per nutrient kung tutuusin ang isang pares na yan. And ang USANA Essentials po, unmatched. Okay, ibig sabihin, wala ka mahanap na product outside na kasing tulad, okay, ng kung ano yung laman na meron sa Essentials. You would need to buy a lot of products. At kung bibilin mo sila para feeling mo mas makamura ka, the bad news is mas napamahal ka po. Okay? Kasi abutin ka na almost 200 pesos per day. So ito, yung Essentials, kurot lang yan sa budget. Pero pag nagkasakit po tayo, alam naman natin magkano ang gastusin sa hospitalization, limas ang budget, ubos ang ipon. And the thing is, hindi mo lang ipon yung mauubos, ipon ng buong family. It only takes one major medical concern to make the family bankrupt. Ganun kagrabe, no? Pag nagkasakit dito sa atin. So might as well, di ba? Alam naman na natin yan. Very cliche na yan. Prevention is always better than cure. And also cheaper, no? To think about it, no? It's also very cheaper than cure. Lalo na kung ang ipang-prevent mo yung highest rated quality cellular nutrition na. Wag na yung mga kung ano-ano lang sa tabi-tabi. Dito na tayo sa talagang napatunayan ng siyensya, 'di ba? Na best of the best talaga. And even athletes, they trust their health only to USANA. So yung mga atleta, walang ibang importante sa kanila kundi yung katawan nila. Kasi whatever sports they're doing, yan ang puhunan nila eh. And what difference does that make sa atin? Di ba puhunan din naman natin ang katawan natin in whatever business we're in whatever profession we're in, sa work natin, puhunan din natin katawan eh. Di ba? So might as well, gamitin rin natin yung best of the best na nutritional supplement na pinagkakatiwalaan ng mga atleta. Alright, so that's for the total body health, no? Yung ating essentials for adults. And then we also have Usanimals. It's advanced kids nutrition. Lahat ng essential nutrients na kailangan ng bata for development, 2 to 14 years old, nandito na po siya. Okay? And then we have a lot of product. Depende na lang sa kung ano yung health needs mo or lifestyle demands mo and ng family mo at ng mga taong makakausap natin later on. So, talk to the person who invited you after this call para mas mabigyan linaw niya ano yung best fit para sa'yo. Okay? Para sa lifestyle mo and dun sa mga taong you also care for. Diba? So, we have for the heart, meron tayo for immune health, for the eyes, para sa bones and joints, for prostate health ng mga kalalakihan, for detoxification ng liver and kidneys natin, for gut health and digestive support, and para sa mga hirap makatulog, ayan, so natural melatonin naman. And then we also have for cognitive function, for brain activity, para mas alert, mas nakakapag-isip ng maayos yung brain, mas nare-retain ang memory as well. And then we have for mood support, literal pampakalma. If you're coming from a long day, nakakapagod, nakaka-exhaust, nakaka-stress, and for some who are suffering from depression, anxiety, ito literal pampakalma. Okay? And then we have for weight management, hanggang collagen for a better skin, hair, nails, toothpaste, and skincare, lahat po yan, ang promise ng Usana, all natural ingredients, walang halong any harmful chemical. Kaya nga sa toothpaste, we don't have fluoride. Sa skincare, lahat ng yan, all natural ingredients din. Okay? So, ganun kaganda yung products that we have in Usana. Pakita ko lang po sa inyo, this was me prior taking the products, 25 years old. Pero grabe, stress na stress, haggard na haggard. Nangungusap ang mga mata, matulog ka na kaya, girl. Tama na yung workout mo. And then, last year, I was 31 years old. Ngayon, I'm 32 already. Nung Zoom in ko ito, sabi ko, grabe, pati yung pawis nag-glow, di ba? So, ganong level and transformation na meron tayo sa Usana. And for sure, yung mga tao nag-invite sa inyo, sila na lang ang tingnan ninyo. Kasi kilala nyo sila eh, di ba? Tingnan ninyo ano yung nagbago sa kanila. For sure, meron. Okay? And if you're someone or you know someone who's struggling with weight loss, no, with fat loss, that was me as well. So, grabe, hindi po ako buntis niyan ha. So, talagang bloated lang. Grabe ang stress level. Stress na stress po ko sa buhay ko talaga niya. And then last year when I decided na i-continue ko na yung sinimulan ko, no, na health journey, ayan. So, talaga namang sumakses na tayo sa healthy era, okay? So, yan ang ating health journey in Usana. And may encouragement sa inyo right now who are joining us in the call is that i-share natin to sa mga loved ones natin, especially to our parents, kasi we know they are already aging as well, di ba? So, mas maganda na they unlock yung next level ng buhay nila, di ba? Next year nila na healthy sila, na in optimal level. So this was my mother prior taking the product. Few days after, ayan, ganyan na yung glow up niya. Okay? And I would like to share with you some of the testimonials, no, ng mga naging clients po in the business. Marami na po in 6 years, hindi siya kasya dito sa ating slide. Pero these are some, no? And kung familiar kayo kay RJ Jimenez, ayan, siya yung katandem ni Yen Constantino. Yan, singer-songwriter. Sila yung kumanta ng If We Fall in Love. Yan. So, syempre, hindi ganun yung tono sa akin, no? But anyway, alam nyo na yan. Di ba? So, eto, feedback niya to. Sabi niya, hello, Lyra, kaka-check up ko lang, bumaba ang cholesterol ko. Pag ginugol nyo yan, payat siya. Pero you can never really judge a person by the facade, by kung ano yung appearance, no? Kasi pwedeng payat, pero ang taas ng cholesterol. In 3 months time po, na-normalize namin yung cholesterol niya with salt essentials, hepatil, and then hepatil yun yung for liver health, and then Biomega yung fish oil. Okay? And one thing that I also wanna share, no, every time I talk about Yusana, is ito. This is from a client in Canada. She is 66 years old. Sabi niya, I used to have lactose intolerance. Since I'm taking Salt Essentials, I noticed that I can eat now ice cream cheese. Bakit gusto ko itong i-share? Kasi 66 years old, most of her life, na-miss out niya yung simple joy ng childhood. Di ba? Na makakain ng ice cream, ng cheese. So it's very fulfilling to really be part of the healthiest community on earth, healthiest family on earth, Yusana. And ma-share yung gift of health, no, sa ibang tao. Not everyone is meant to do business, pero lahat meant to have the best health support para sa katawan nila. Tama? And if you are here right now looking for opportunity, then ituhog mo na yung business. Okay, so this is Tita Nancy. We've been together in the business for 5 years. She is based in Milano, Italia. So, 5 years, wala pong, hindi pa kami nagmi-meet, no? Talagang Zoom lang, messenger call, ganyan. And last year, she unlocked her silver directorship. A silver director was able to earn $1,000 or 1,000 euro in 1 week. In peso, that's 55,000 pesos. Grabe, no? So, can we type in 55,000 pesos in 1 week? Diba? So, namnamin natin yan. And to have that kind of team support, diba, na hindi pa nga kami nagmi-meet in person, pero we're able to, alam mo yun, have that kind of business camaraderie, diba? Super amazing how much it can build an impact sa buhay ninyo if you are with the person who invited you. I mean, physically na you can meet that person, di ba? So, yun. And then, one of our directors in the team, si Ate Cheryl, ang goal niya lang talaga pumayat. Na-achieve niya naman, no? Tama. So, nagkaroon ng panga, nagkaleeg, yan. So, ito yung kanyang Nutri-Meal journey, yung meal replacement ng Yusana. Normal sa atin yung 1 kilo mawala in 1 week. Pero sa kanya, almost 1 kilo per day. Per day po iyan with Nutri-Meal Reset. So, na-achieve niya yung pagpapapayat and then we told her, why not? Yung products na ginagamit mo, since ang dami niyang ginagamit na products sa Italia, she's a registered nurse sa Italy, why not i-share natin yung business sa iba, yung products sa iba, and then from whatever yung income mo, dun mo na kunin yung magiging personal consumption mo. And she said yes to the business. Right now, she's a director. In 6 months time, she's able to earn $600 in 1 week. 30,000 pesos po yun in 1 week. Okay? In 6 months time. So, depende po yung natin, yung journey natin sa Yusana, no? Pwedeng mas mabilis ka, pwedeng later pa, but still, yun yung possibility. Kasi siya, nag-start lang rin naman siya, $100, $200 per week, 5,000 to 10,000 per week. But then, imagine right now, no? And napa-travel pa siya ng Yusana for free sa Spain. So, grabe, ang daming perks in doing the business ng Yusana. So, let's get to them, no? Dun sa mga perks na yon. And sobrang wise decision talaga, wise choice talaga to do Yusana. Kasi ang dami naman natin pwedeng gawin sa gig economy. 'Di ba? Pero itong mga to, active income pa rin sila eh. Ibig sabihin, wala kang content ngayon, wala kang affiliate income. Tama? So, yung mga active income, we're exchanging time for money, but in Yusana, we're exchanging time for sustainable income. And as my favorite wealthy person said, si Warren Buffett ulit, sabi niya, if you don't find a way to make money while you sleep, you will work until you die. Grabe no, parang sinumpa niya tayo. Parang bala ka, pag di mo ginawa yan, you will work until you die. So parang ako, nakita ko naman yung sarili ko na hindi talaga ako mag-work hanggang 60, no? So shout out sa mga kahenerasyon ko dyan, mga millennials, di ba? And for sure, if we have Gen Zs in the house, no, ganun din sila mag-isip na, di ba? Na hindi talaga trabaho lang ang gagawin nila buong buhay nila. And that's very true, no? Kasi kapag nag-focus tayo sa financial lang, hindi natin na-live yung buhay ng full experience. And ako, I'm an advocate of living life in full experience talaga. So, most of us, especially Filipinos, no, natatapos ang buhay na ito pa rin, financial pa rin ang inaatupag, di ba? Ito pa rin, most of the time, dito pa rin tayo. So, hindi natin napupuntahan yung ibang aspeto like spiritual health, mental health, emotional, physical, relational. So, kung tapusin na kaya natin to, no? Tapusin na natin tong financial na to, na aspeto ng buhay natin so that we can live life in full experience na lahat ng pillars ng buhay, no, talagang nalilive by natin yan. So this is where health meets opportunity as a brand partner ng Usana. Ang goal lang natin is to connect people to Usana, to share Usana to other people. So as a brand partner, once na may mapag-sharean tayo ng Usana, they can become a user or brand partner. Bottom line, pag bumili po yan ng products, kada products may points, yung points nagiging dollars. Now, yung user mo at brand partner mo, isi-share nila ang Usana. Bakit? Ba't ko nasabi yon? Lahat ba ng na-experience nating maganda, sinishare natin sa ibang tao? Yes, can you type in the chat box? Kumain ka sa masarap na restaurant, di ba shinare ba natin siya? Nanood ka ng movie, di ba parang nanggigigil ka pa na, uy, kailangan mo panood mo to, di ba? Pero hindi tayo bayad, right? Pero in Usana, when we share Usana to other people, bayad tayo. And later on, magulat ka na lang yung mga brand partners mo who kept sharing Usana, no? Nagkaroon ka na ng global expansion. Meaning to say, meron lang ikaw mga brand partners, mga clients na nasa US, nasa Canada. Ako po, in 6 years, I have clients buying in from Japan, meron sa Australia, New Zealand, meron sa US, meron sa Canada. And some of these people, I don't even know them. Na-i-connect na lang sila ng na-i-connect. Okay? So, ganun ka grabe yung kumbaga very vast yung opportunity na meron tayo in Usana. So these are the ways of earnings in Usana. Sobrang dami po na yan. I will focus on the first 4. Okay? So unang-una dyan is the new sales bonus. Lahat ng mga naalala mo kanina, di ba, sinabi ko, lahat ng products may points, yung points convertible to dollars. So lahat ng points na yan na binili ng mga taong na-connect natin sa Usana, 10% nun, new sales bonus mo for the next 6 months. Hindi siya one time lang. Every time na mag-purchase sila, ngayong week, nag-purchase, 10% nun, bonus mo. Next month, nag-purchase 10% nun, bonus mo. Next month, nag-purchase 10% nun, bonus mo. Hanggang 6 months. Grabe, no? So, sobrang panalo na tayo dyan sa new sales bonus pa lang. And then, we also have milestone bonuses. Ito naman, kada month, may specific na milestone na pinapahit ang Usana. Pag na-hit mo siya, may kaakibat na salapi, okay? May dollar na bonus. So sa first month, that's $50. Sa second month, that's $100. And sa third month, may $150. So ang total dito, $300. That's 16,500 pesos on your first 3 months pa lang in the business, coming from milestone bonuses alone. Milestone pa lang yan, guys. Yung pinag-uusapan natin na $300. So, marami pa. Like this one, this is the basic way of earning in Usana, yung ating weekly commission. So, eto, favorite ko to kasi dito na pumapasok yung leverage na na-mention ko kanina. So, hindi siya effort mo alone, effort siya ng buong team. Halimbawa, eto, kakilala mo si 1 saka si 2. Si 3 at 4, hindi mo naman kakilala. Okay? Hindi mo kakilala. Pero lahat ng ipipurchase nila, automatic, akyat sa'yo 100%. So at the end of the week, ito total ng Usana, ano yung group sales volume mo sa left side, sa right side? Ano yung mas mababa? 20% non commission mo. Okay? So, later on, lalaki at lalaki yung organization mo. So, yung mga points na yan, lalaki at lalaki din sila. Just to give you an idea, when I started the business ng Yosana noong 2019, wala po yung mga bonuses na na-mention ko kanina. Wala pa kami noon. Ang meron lang kami ay base commission. So, yung from base commission ko, meron akong kinita, first week income ko, $40. That's 2,141.20. Ang take-home pay ko, na-receive ko sa bangko ko, 1,927.08. Less of tax po kasi. Binabayaran natin yung tax, no, whatever is due to the government. Kahit minamaleta lang. So, basta tayo, tama yung ginagawa natin, okay? We're abiding. Now, so, ang maganda pa dito, from Bank of America yan, diretso sa bangko mo. Wire transfer. Hindi mo na kailangan kontakin ang, yung sana wala pa yung yung check ko, ganyan. So, automatic yan on a weekly basis, makikita mo kung ano yung naging income mo for the week. Okay? So, that was my first income. Pero dito ako nagulat talaga. A year after, June of 2020, I was already earning 29,000 in 3 weeks lang. Bakit siya mahalaga sa akin? Kasi nung yung work ko, I was earning 28,000 as a manager. And it took me 5 years, 5 long years to get to that level of salary na 28,000. Sa'yo sana, it took me 1 year to out-earn whatever I was making at work. Grabe, no? So, yun yung potential ng business ng Yosana. And 2 months after that, naging 1 week income na lang po siya. 31,800, bonuses, so total of 38,000 in 1 week. So, hindi ko alam kung ano yung magiging journey mo sa Yosana. No one knows. You will know when you try. Okay? It's for you to find out. You'll never know kung hindi mo siya itatry. Okay? So, lahat naman yan, maaaral mo, matututunan mo kasi may mga kasama sa business na mag-share ng learnings nila sa business, no? And may mga support tayo na ganito, katulad ng webinar na ganito, someone else is presenting, di ba? I don't even know yung mga guests natin na nandito, but this is the team support that you'll be getting as a commitment from the person who invited you. Okay, so one thing that I'm very much excited about is itong lifetime matching bonus. Kasi ito, yung tao na magsiseryoso talaga sa business ng Yosana, what if mas magaling to sa'yo? Eh di panalo, di ba? Nasa ilalim siya ng organization mo. Sa work, ayaw natin yun kasi kalaban natin yan sa promotion. Pero sa business, panalo ka kapag may mas magaling sa'yo. Okay, so lahat ng income niya, 10% nun, bonus mo. Week by week, kung ano man ang income niya. So, for example, kumita siya ng $100, 10% nun, may $10 ka. Panghabang buhay po yan, ha? So, syempre, hindi naman panghabang buhay, $100 siya. After 1 year, halimbawa, nag $1,000 na siya. So, meron kang $100 from that. Okay? And what if sobrang ginalingan niya, after 10 years, $10,000 na siya. Times 55 po tayo, ha, in peso. So, compute mo na lang yan. So, kung 10,000 siya per week, times 10% nun, may $1,000 ka. Imagine, $1,000, may 55,000 ka per week just because nag-share ka ng opportunity sa taong kakilala mo. Diba? Gano'n ka panalo yun, no? So, yun yung commitment ng Yosana. Yosana honors you na ikaw yung tao na nag-connect sa kanya sa Yosana. Alright? And apart from all the income na yan, we also have world-class travel incentives sa Yosana. So, good for 2 yan, all expenses paid. And minsan may mga trips pa tayo na good for 4, good for 7, good for 8. So back in 2020, I was able to qualify. Hindi siya natuloy. This is bound to Taiwan. Good for 4 days, 3 nights, no? So sa travel agency, we would normally refund it na mga, kung ganun yung travel, we would normally refund it na 20,000, no? Mga ganyan, 20, 25,000. Pero grabe yung binigay ng Yosana, 71K, di ba? Ganyan siya ang mag-budget ng para sa travel. So, if you're into travel, then this is the opportunity for you, di ba? You're just sharing ano yung makakatulong sa ibang tao. Tapos you're being flown to different destinations, beautiful destinations. This year, we're going for Japan, Hokkaido, Japan. We have Czech Republic. And then for local, we have Boracay. And marami pang mga ibang mga ilo-launch ang Usana for sure. Okay? So sa mga mommies who are joining us in the call, and kung may dads din, no, then get this. Etong business na to, lahat ng pagkakahirapan, pagkaka-effortan, pagkakaaralan mo, may kapupuntahan. So mapapamana mo siya to the next generation. Okay? Sa kids mo, and sa mga wala pang kids naman and planning, 'di ba? Then definitely this is also a great start para maplano na ang future. So lahat ng 'yon all made possible if you become a brand partner ng Usana. Okay? So as a brand partner, para activated yung account mo, ibig sabihin, kikita siya ng dollars, you need an initial purchase of 200 points. Ang 200 points po roughly mga 20 to 25,000. So you can talk to the person who invited you kung whatever budget yung kaya mong simulan and ano yung pasok na products dyan, pwede kayo mag-customize. But if you have the budget naman, especially if you're using credit card, pwede po credit card dito, debit card, GCash, lahat na ng mode of payment pwede, no? So, you can go ahead and start with our energy kit. Ito kasi lahat na ng bestseller pinagsama-sama ng Usana for only 22,590. So, kung kukomputin mo yan, mga 30%, more than 30% pa yung natipid mo dito. Sobrang laki po ng discount na yan, okay, for the energy kit. So you have the Essentials, dalawang Essentials. You have Buy Omega, yung fish oil natin, dalawa din. And then we have Coquinone for cellular energy, Proflavano C for cardiovascular health, and then Magnical D, our magnesium, calcium, vitamin D for bones and muscles. Lahat po iyan all in one energy kit. Okay, so I hope you get started, no, as early as possible. Bakit? Ang promise ng Usana, fast results. Pagdating sa products, ma-experience mo kaagad yung mga benefits na yan. Pagdating sa as a brand partner, sa earning, no, on your first week, pwede ka na kaagad kumita ng income. Okay? So lahat ng mga bibili right now, magre-repeat purchase, consistently, no, you're gonna earn commission in Usana. So my encouragement is start now and get perfect later. Because yung mga tao na nag-invite sa inyo, consistently may kinakausap yan. Meron silang ini-introduce ng Usana. So kung mauna ka sa kanila, ito sila yung sponsor, ikaw to, and then yung mga next na makakausap nila, nasa ilalim mo na yun. Lahat ng points nila, akyat sa'yo. Lahat ng production na magiging team na yan, later on, akyat sa'yo. Eh kung later ka pa mag-decide, may 10 nang nauna sa'yo, 5 nauna sa'yo, sayang, instead na ikaw yung nagre-receive ng points, ikaw na yung magbibigay ngayon ng points. No? So, ano bang gusto mo? Ano ba yung mas wais para sa'yo? Yung mag-receive o yung magbigay? Diba? So, I hope you choose yung first, no? Yung mag-receive. And sabi nga ni Richard Branson, if someone offers you an amazing opportunity and you're not sure you can do it, just say yes and then learn how to do it later. Lahat naman kami na nandito right now na brand partners, we didn't know how to start Usana, paano ba mag-approach, ano ba yung sasabihin, pero lahat yon tinuro na lang sa amin along the way. We just said yes muna. Okay? So that's very important. Yung timing na mag-yes ka na kaagad, okay? Para wala kang na-miss out na opportunity in between kung kailan ka na-presentan and the time you said yes. Okay? So this is my life right now. I'm full-time in the business and ang sarap lang na you live life in autonomy, yung hindi ka bounded by work, and you can go kung saan mo gusto, anytime, any day you want. Diba? And right now, yung goal na is more than for myself, it's really for building community with cats. Wow! Ayan, so I really want a cat sanctuary, no, wherein merong malaking lupa and then yung mga cats, they can just roam around. So imaginein mo yon, maiisip ko ba to kung ako mismo sa trabaho ko naghihikahos, diba? So definitely hindi. So that's it. And ito po yung team that will be helping you all throughout your journey. This is Team Core Edge. And I hope you'll be able to make a wise decision, no, from this conversation right now, from this discussion. And if you want more in life, my suggestion is go for business builder, go for brand partnership. All right, that's it for me, and go back to the host.
Okay, thank you, Coach Lyra. Pasalamatan naman natin si Coach Lyra by sending your heart reactions, or kaya naman say thank you sa chat box. Ayan, napaka-clear ang kanyang pinaliwanag. So, let's go. Meron pa tayong second speaker. A short announcement. After the talk of second speaker, we're going to have a breakout room para po doon natin yung mga questions natin or gusto nating may clear sa taong nag-invite sa atin. So doon na po. So don't worry po. Huwag kayo po kayong mahiya. Just click po pag may nakita kayong invitation. Ayan. So para sa ating para sa ating second speaker, kilalanin natin ang isang De La Salle University graduate ng BS Commerce, major in Management of Financial Institutions. Nagtapos din siya sa Asian Institute of Management ng Trust and Investment Management course. Bago ang kanyang tagumpay sa business, hasa na siya, no? Hasa na siya sa finance mula sa China Bank Trust Group at saka being a certified financial planning professional. At isa rin po siyang certified life coach. Because of his career as Ruby Director, yung rank po yan sa USANA, at consistent million peso achiever, he became a global traveler na from Bangkok at Cape Town hanggang sa luxury gold retreat cruise at Boracay. Tuloy-tuloy po ang kanyang growth dito at global adventure. Let's welcome by sending your heart reactions sa ating mentor, Michael C. Mentor, mabuhay po. Good evening.
Hello, hello. Sorry. Okay. And better ba?
Yes, Mentor.
Para kanina nag-echo eh. Okay. Thank you everyone. Good evening pala everyone, and thank you kay Miss Shona for that introduction. And syempre, 'di ba, I would also like to acknowledge yung ating speaker for tonight. Okay lang ba? Type nga natin diyan 1, 'di ba? 1 as parang pumapalakpak ka lang, 'di ba? Or kung kayang clap emoji, 'di ba? Diyan sa ating chat box for the very informative presentation ni Coach Lyra. Yan. O sige, 1 na lang. Mas madali ata eh. Hirap kasi nung clap eh. Yan, may mga nagka-clap-clap naman. Effort. Okay. So, I hope, diba? I hope na na-bless ang lahat na nandito. Especially yung mga first-timer na first time narinig yung presentation for tonight. Or first time na introduce sa'yo sana. I also like to hope, di ba? I hope din na na-excite yung mga tao. Okay lang ba type natin excite? Di ba? Or excited kung na-excite ka sa mga bagong information na narinig natin. Ayan, yun, may mga nag-type. So sabi nga, di ba, ng isang guru sa YouTube, sabi nga, if you're planning to start a business, make sure talaga it provides real solution sa tao. And that's the only way to succeed. Kung yung produkto ay talagang nakakatulong sa tao. And yung produkto na yun, 'di ba, uulit-ulitin dahil naramdaman yung benefits. So again, congratulations sa lahat and provides real solution. Repeat purchase, tama. So siguro konting background lang. I've been with USANA for more than 10 years na. And talagang na-appreciate ko. I really appreciate actually hindi lang 10 more than 15 na. Di ba? I really appreciate na I'm here now. And especially sa mga nangyayari sa paligid. Grabe ba ang presyo ng bilihin ngayon? At actually, ewan ko kung naapektuhan na ba yung presyo ng bilihin, pero presyo ng gas, tama. Kanina lang, plus 10. From yesterday, today, plus 10. Sabi nung mga balita, additional pa yan. So hindi pa natin alam hanggang kailan. And may mga bali-balita pa after parang 1 month, 2 months, maubos na daw. Ewan kung totoo maubos na daw yung supply nung gas. So imagine nyo na lang kung ikaw yung tipong walang gaanong option. So anyway, siguro I'll just share my screen. Okay lang ba, Coach? Kung ayan, nakaano na ako. Ayan. Current slide. Okay. So by the way, thank you din pala sa Team Core Edge for inviting me. Andito rin si Mentor Mads sa inyong presentation, and I hope, 'di ba? Basically my goal kasi here is to really not really it's more inform lang, 'di ba? Hindi ko masabing inspired kasi mas inspired kasi ako mismo inspired daw kay Coach Mads eh. Kasi grabe na yung ating mentor dito Mentor Mads eh. Pero nga basically to really share yung aking journey with USANA for the last more than 10 years, and I hope 'di ba na makatulong siya sa inyong decision tonight, na makita niyo talaga na this is something that you can really do. Whether whether gagawin mo siya full-time or part-time, it's something na worth your time, as in. Actually, 'di ba, makita nyo lang kami, makita nyo lang si Mentor Mads, ako, yung mga nandito na more than 5, 10, 15 years na. Actually, doon pa lang, hindi na question kung this is something na pwede natin gawin. Kasi anong ginagawa namin dito for the last 10, 15 years kung wala lang, tama ba? Okay lang ba? Type nga natin dyan, tama. Diba? Ginagawa namin I've been with you I've been with the company full-time to, as in wala nang ibang ginagawa, since I was 22 years old or 23 years old, and that's again more than 10 years na. So kung if this is something na, 'di ba, it doesn't give me yung needs ko, and at the same time yung mga more than the needs, tama? Nakikita ba yung screen ko? Ano nakikita niyo sa screen? Wait lang ba't ganun? Ito pala. Okay. Ayan, sige. Okay, so let's start. So actually may mga na-mention na kanina ang ating host. Ayan, tama po yun. I'm Michael Vincent C, but you can call me Mike. I'm one of your Ruby director, and a very, very quick background. I'm a graduate of Management of Finance Institutions from Del Salle University. Nag-aaral din ako sa Asian Institute of Management sa kanilang investment management course, Trust Operations Investment Management course. And then I worked with China Bank. Actually, very short time lang yan, 2.5 years. And the reason is because I was early in my life, at age 22, I was introduced to USANA. And during my journey sa aking USANA business, ayun, may mga nakakuha din mga iba pang mga certification like Certified Life Coach, Certified Financial Planning Professional. And in USANA, I've been a million peso achiever since 2011. So I was 20, ilang taon ba ako niyang time na yan? Bilangin nyo na lang. Hindi ko maalala. Pero mga 24, 25, ganyan. And ayun nga, marami na rin mga travels. I'm not here to impress, but to lang, para mapakita lang sa atin na that this business is really doable, possible, kahit pa part-time mo siya gawin. And ayan, very my life before USANA. So yun nga, graduate ng former banker, Started sa 22. Ito yan with no capital. So if ever yan yung concern mo, not sure kasi kung nabanggit ba tong initial capital. If yan yung maging concern mo, okay lang yan. Why? Kasi ako din at marami sa atin. Siguro more than 80 to 90% that started yung sana, yan din ang concern. Pero we saw yung kayang ibalik. So my advice, wag natin tignan yung ilalabas natin, tignan natin yung ibabalik niya. Kasi kung titignan lang natin yung ilalabas, baka wala ka nang makitang negosyo outside. Kasi most businesses outside, mas malaki pa talaga, 'di ba? Baka nga yung initial investment natin dito parang ref lang yan sa isang or ref ba or possible ref sa isang restaurant or aircon or mga first 2 months of rent. Tama po ba? And ayan, and I started yung sana with no business background and skills. Most people kasi pag naririnig yung pangalan, Michael Vincent C. S.Y., di ba? Parang feel nila ay kaya siguro at age 22, nakaya niya maging successful, baka may may background na to sa negosyo or maraming connection. Pero actually, when I started sana, wala po. Walang business background. Actually, first product na na-market ko sa buong buhay ko is Usana. Never tried selling kasi may mga kabatch, mga kaklase ako ng mga grade school, high school, nagbebenta sila mga ballpen, mga ganyan, stationery. Ewan ko, nabutan pa yung mga stationery. Wala, hindi ko tinry yung mga ganong bagay. And again, Usana is the first na in-offer, pinakita, shinare sa tao. Yeah, yung mabango, may amoy-amoy pa yan. So, and the reason is because I was, mahiyain and introvert. Okay lang ba type natin sa chat box kung shy, S-H-Y, kung ikaw ay mahiyain? Meron ba dito? Feel ko wala eh. Tingnan nga natin kung meron bang mahiyain. Ay, walang nagtatype. Mukhang, ayan, ubod. Ubos na ata, mentor, yung hiya. Naubos na yung hiya. So, isa lang, imagine kung nagawa ko tong Usana, walang reason na hindi magawa ng majority na nandito sa room kasi hindi sila mahihain eh. So, ayan. Or sa sobrang hiya, hindi makatype ng shy. Ayan, introvert. Okay. So, introvert. So, ayun, ito yung ebidensya na nag-graduate ako sa Lasal. Ayan, background ko. Ayan, and then nag-work din ako sa China Bank. Ayan, China Bank Tops Trust Course. Diyan ako yung may salamin dyan. And then, ayan, so ito yung family ko. I'm a father and a husband. Ayan, father of a daughter named Parsley, Shekinah Parsley. So, first question, syempre, why did I join? Diba? Why did I join Usana? With my background, Lasal graduate, main work naman, China Bank, 22 years old. So, why? Diba? Bakit? First, actually, it's because of, totoo tong na to. I started because of the products. Iba kasi, 22, but products? It's because of the products. Why? Family kasi namin, family ng mahihain tuloy, family ng sakit. Okay? Family ng sakit. Literal na buong family na or mga lolo-lola, ang mga kinamatay is cancer, Alzheimer's. Father ko at age 60, diabetic, tinamaan yung kidney, nag-dialysis, and at age 60, yun, alam na natin, kinuha siya ni Lord. So, and I know the value of health. For us as a family, health is wealth. Why? Kasi dyan din kami bumagsak financially. So, isipin nyo na lang, 3 kami magkakapatid, nag-aaral sa Lasal. Not sure kung magkano na tuition fee sa Lasal ngayon, pero nung panahon na yun, mahal na rin. First year namin, ayun, tipong hatid sundo. Yan, may naghatid, may nagsusundo, na driver, kotse. Second year, ayan na, wala nang driver. Yan, so ako na, since actually at age 16 kasi marunong na ako mag-drive eh. Or mas bata pa, marunong na mag-drive. So nung college, ayan, ako na yung pinagkatiwalaan na mag-drive ng car. And then, at third year, eto na, commute na kami. Nag-jeep. So, yun yung parang naging ano, and then eventually, parang yung mga properties namin, unti-unti, naubos, niliquidate, yung business, nagsara, or sinara, para again, i-liquidate lahat ng pwedeng i-liquidate. Kasi hindi na kaya hindi na kaya i-operate ng father namin kasi thrice a week, nagda-dialysis, every time nagda-dialysis, sobrang bagsak ng body niya eh. So, this was, wala pang isa na to. And, ayun, so unti-unti niliquidate para at least merong pang budget, ibabudget sa education namin, sa pang-araw-araw namin, sa medication. Ayun. And then, so, in short, ubos lahat, naiwan na lang yung bahay. Diba? So, ganun kalala yung nangyari. And, ayun, so again, why Usana? Kasi I saw the difference. Diba? Lahat kasi ng company na nag-invite sa akin before, Usana, lahat sila, they would always say naman they're the best eh. I'm sure most of you, hindi naman to first time yun na nakarinig ng mga ganitong presentation, tama ba? And yun nga, alam natin na lahat yan sasabihin number one. Pero with Usana, it's backed by research study, third-party proof, third-party book, libro ng doktor, listed tayo. Ang rami na nagpo-prove na Usana is something different versus other products sa market. And ayan, correct. Mahal magkasakit. As in. So if ever nakita niyo tong Usana, nakita niyo yung product, go. 'Di ba? Simulan niyo na. And why? Kasi, 'di ba? If right now hindi mo nakikita pa yung business na kailangan mo, at least, 'di ba, yung products gamitin ng family mo. Why? Kasi time na lang yan eh. If walang ginagawang family na something that can really help their body, protect their body, hindi na question yun eh kung meron bang magkakasakit eh. Meron at meron yan. And yun nga, syempre ayaw natin yun. So, ayun, it's backed by, sabi ko nga, a lot of third-party awards. And then ito nga, mahal magkasakit. This was ilang years ago pa to, more than 5 years ago pa ata tong listahan na to. Ang maganda ngayon may ChatGPT, check nyo na si ChatGPT, di ba? Magkano ba magkasakit ngayon? So imagine, dialysis, 300 to 600,000. Basta naalala ko before, 5,000 siya per session, 3 times a week, so that's 15 times 4, so 60,000 dialysis. Wala pa yung mga medication doon. Ano pa lang yun? Yung sa machine pa lang yun. And then, ayun, sa case ko naman, that time, may mga health concern din, which is nga, grabe ako mag-pimples, and then naka-glasses. Pero good news with Usana, yan, truth po to, hindi po ako nag-LASIK. Ayan, eventually, nag-improve yung eyesight in such a way na, ayun, since siguro more than 3 years, 4 years na. Yan, hindi na ako nag-glasses. And ayan, syempre yung sa skin, hindi masyado lang kita yung picture, pero grabe, lagi pong duguan yung panyo ko because of grabe talaga yung mag-pimples. So make sure, diba, if ma-invite kayo one of these days sa ating Celebib Spa Party, yan, make sure na attendan nyo yun, diba? Attendan nyo yun. Kasi doon yung malalaman yung mga products natin. Ayan, thank you. Ibang level yung glow up, di ba? Sunog na yan, sunog na yan sa lagay na yan dahil sa pickleball level. Ayan. And then, ayun, so before Usana, maraming plano. But ayan, ito nga yun, mga few of my plans before Usana, mag-take ng MBA, mag-take ng mga certification, kahit pa napakamahal ng mga yan. Yung CFA na yan, I would need siguro 300,000 para lang mag-take ng exam at the same time mag-review for the exam. Pero I was willing, imagine, I was willing to really save up, spend the money para lang sa aking career. Pero yun nga, few years ago, nag-research ako magkano ba yung entry level, 1 to 3 years of experience, nasa 484,000 per year. Pag merong 8 years experience, 853,000. So mamaya may i-share ako na, 'di ba, na yun nga, para lang ma-prove na, 'di ba, imagine nag-invest ng 300,000 tapos how much lang yung average salary for the CFA. Ayan. So, ayan. So, ito, I'm not sure kung na-share ba to kanina, but ito yung isa sa mga nag-open up ng mind ko. During college days kasi, may nagpahiram sa akin ng Rich Dad Poor Dad. Hindi ko pa siya masyadong magets that time eh. But yun nga, when I was starting to work, tapos biglang na-invite sa'yo sana, mas naging clear tong idea na to eh, na tama eh. Diba? Most people outside, hindi ko naman nilalahat, pero most people, di ba, we work hard, and then we earn money, tama? And then, syempre, bayad ng mga bills, and then, syempre, spend more money, tama ba? Syempre, ano eh, kailangan mong i-reward yung sarili mo eh. Manood ng sine or gadget or kung ano man. And lack savings. Tama? And then mag-work ulit. Paikot-ikot lang yan. Sabi nga niyan eh, not sure kung familiar kayo kay Pastor Bong sa akin. One time kasi, may na-share siya na tanong niya, ba't ka ba nag-work? Diba? May tinanong siya, tinanong isang tao, ba't ka ba nag-work? Sabi ng tao, para maging malakas. Diba? So, tinanong ni Pastor Bong, ba't mo gusto maging malakas? Diba? So, syempre, alam naman natin, bakit? Syempre, para mag-work, and then, nga, para kumita, para, and so on and so forth. So, in short, it's a cycle talaga. Cycle siya. And if wala tayong gagawing iba, di ba? Kahit pa napakagaling mo mag-save up ng money, isang emergency lang yan. Yung tipong, alam mo yun, yung tipong, and one of our mentor dito, pangalan is Doc Edu Bolanos, 11 years, ang galing. Magaling na tao. PhD ang background niya. Tapos he was able to save up 2.5 million. Question, type nga natin dyan kung magaling ba yun. In 11 years of working, naka-save up ng 2.5 million. Type magaling. Ayan, isa lang nagsabi ng magaling. Meron pa bang tao? Wait lang, check. Ayan, magaling, tama. Pero nangyari nga, because of, may nangyari sa mom niya, medyo lumala yung diabetes, na-confine sa hospital for 3 months, and then imagine magkano yung bill? 5 million. So 2.5 million, okay, nabayaran niya, pero yung sobra sa 2.5 million, inutang niya just para lang mabayaran yung utang. So, meron ba dito? Okay lang ba type natin dyan sa mga nakapag-ipon na ng 2.5 million over the last 11 years? Meron ba dyan? Pa-type nga. 11 years of working. I'm sure. Uy, may nakapag-ipon ng 11 million. Uy, ay 2.5 million. Congrats kay Jeff. Nakapag-ipon ng 2.5 million in 11 years. So, ayan. Tuloy natin to. So, Rat Race by Robert Kiyosaki nga. Tired of the rat race? Perhaps there's... Hindi po ako. Ano to? Hindi po ako eh. Pero wala na po. Wala na po. Okay. So, hopefully napunta sa something na na-enjoy mo naman. Yung 2.5 million. Perhaps there's, di ba? Imagine mo na lang. Rat race to, alam na naman. Pero yung question dito is there something more? Meron bang way talaga makalabas dyan? And congratulations, nandito ka kasi we're giving you, di ba? One of the solution. Actually, meron namang iba. Pero ito na yung pinakamadali sa lahat ng mahirap para mo ma-build up or para kang makalabas dun sa rat race. Marami namang way eh. We're not saying ito lang. Pwede kang bumili ng condo unit. Diba? Mag-invest ka ng sabi natin 7 million. 7 million na kasi banda dito sa amin sa area. Nasa 7 million na. Tapos ang rent is 30,000. So, makabili ka ng 7 million na yun, may 30,000 ka monthly na na passive income. Pero yung nga, question, meron ba dito may 7 million? Tama? Or willing to maglabas ng at least siguro mga almost 40 to 50,000 a month, 'di ba? Para ka makabili ng condo na ang ibabalik sa iyo ay 30,000 a month, 'di ba? Of rent. So imagine no, lugi ka pa. Pero anyway, pero eventually, di ba, pag nabayaran mo naman yung condo, yun, papasok na papasok. Yung nga lang, maraming pang mga challenge na yun. Like, syempre, paano kung walang nag-rent? Paano kung medyo hindi maayos yung nag-rent ng place mo? So, kailangan pa ipa-renovate and so on. Yes, there's more to life, correct? So, ayun, ito yung before you sana, ito yung aking routine. Diba? Ito yung aking rat race. 5:30, gigising ng umaga, alis ng bahay ng 6:30, babiyahe, 'di ba? Around 1 to 2 hours 'yan, 8:30, and then for the next 8, 9 hours, more than 10 hours, madalas overtime without pay pa 'yan. So yan talaga yung buhay ko, tricycle. Tapos sa mga familiar sa may San Juan area, yan taga San Juan ako, and then magta-tricycle ako papuntang Calentong, from Calentong magje-jeep ako diyan papuntang Shaw, magbabus. So, yan yung life ko before Usana. And yun nga, I saw Usana as God's direction. That time, I have all the reasons not to do Usana. I have all the reasons not to do Usana. Walang pera, walang background sa ganito. Fresh grad, 22 years old. Most of my friends, it's either nag-aaral pa ng kanilang 4 or 5-year course or syempre, bago ko palang kakilala sa work, etc. Pero nga, I'm not sure kung naniniwala kayo sa bulong, 'di ba, sa God's voice. Basta may narinig ako na truth to sinabing, syempre syempre I believe, naniniwala ako kay Lord galing yun. Basta sabi niya, mag-join ka. Yun lang talaga, mag-join ka. Again, ulitin ko, I have all the reasons not to do Usana. Pero nga, narinig ko yun, mag-join ka. Ang nangyari nung gabi na yun, wala. Hindi na ako nakatulog. 'Di ba? Kasi wala akong pera talaga eh. Hindi ako makatulog. Paano ba ako mag-join? So if ever mamayang gabi, di ka makatulog, yan. It's a sign na yan. So eventually, bigla na lang, out of nowhere, naalala ko yung credit card. Diba? Sa credit card ko doon sa desk ko na siguro 6 months or more kung hindi nagagalaw kasi wala naman akong plano mag-credit card. Pero nga dahil taga-bangko, madaling, very accessible. Parang, alam mo yun, kahit hindi ka mag-apply, may mga binibigay na ganun. So, yun yung naisip ko. So, I started Usana na through credit card. And then, yun nga, mamaya, malalaman nyo kung tama ba yung decision. Tingnan natin. Tama kaya yung decision? Inutang, diba? 20,000, more than 20,000. Tingnan natin. So, syempre, one of the reasons then why I started Usana is because of one of our mentor dito, Mentor Nax Junio. Background niya kasi before is a former room attendant, hindi siya tapos ng college, and former fast food crew. That time, he was earning, sabi ng friend ko, he was earning 60,000 a month. So hindi naman yung ganong kalakihan, pero for me kasi 60,000 a month, siguro, and to project, para lang ma-project ko siya sa work ko that time, it will take us 10, 15 or more years para ako ma-achieve or ma-earn yung ganong level of income, 60,000. And si mentor at that time was just 6 months in Usana. Kasi ito yung background niya. Sabi ko, kung itong taong nagawa, siguro naman kaya kong aralin to. Diba? And then right now, Mentor Nat, imagine, I was able to earn more than, ito yung updated, more than 250 million sa kanyang Usana journey over the last more than 15 years. So hindi naman ganyan yung income ko, pero sabi ko sa Rico that time, 'di ba? Okay lang, 'di ba? Kahit nga di ba? Sabihin na lang natin kahit nga less than half niyan eh. Kahit nga sabihin na lang natin 50 million over the next 10 to 15 years. Pwede na, type nga natin kung pwede na yun, yung 50 million over the next 10 years, 10 to 20 years. Okay lang ba yun? 50 million? Pwedeng-pwede. Diba? Sabi ko nga, ito honestly sabi ko nga, mag-earn lang ako extra 10 to 20,000 eh. Dito sa USANA, that time when I joined, kahit 10 to 20,000 na malaking bagay na ito sa akin. Pero again, disclaimer siya. May disclaimer lang, success in USANA results from hard work, diligence, and leadership. Okay? Lahat yan trinabaho, pinaghirapan, may mga sacrifices, pero worth it ang sacrifice. Kasi even naman sa work, di ba? Sacrifice din naman eh. Di ba? Kahit na, alam mo yung tipong kahit may sakit ka, may problema sa bahay, may event si anak, or may sakit si magulang, di ba? Kung sinabi ni boss pumasok ka, question papasok. Di ba? I'm sure, kahit hindi nyo i-type yan, papasok ka eh. Kasi sinabi nga ni boss. So, yun yung sacrifice. Yung araw-araw, kailangan mong gumising, that's all sacrifice. So, doing USANA, I realized it's not, it was not just the money, it's also about saving time. Kasi kung pwede ka naman, sabi nga, kung pwede mo naman kitain in 10 years, yung kikitain mo pa in 40 years, why not? Diba? So, paano ba yun? Let's check this out. So, sabihin na lang natin right now, diba? I hope most of you, diba, buhay pa yung pangarap. Kahit hindi mo na to gawin muna right now, kahit later on after this, sulat mo lang lahat ng mga gusto mong mangyari sa iyong life. Ang problem kasi with most people, dahil after few years of working, ito lang yung sahod. Diba? Ano nangyari sa malaking pangarap? Pinapantay dun sa sahod. Yung tipo makabili lang ng pinaka-updated na cellphone, yun na yung pangarap for them. Pero yung magkaroon ng sariling bahay, sariling kotse, may savings, most of the people outside, medyo wala na yung ganong concept na ganon sa buhay. So okay lang ba for tonight, 'di ba? Ibalik natin yung mga pangarap, 'di ba? Ano may mga goals mo? If money is not a problem, ano ba yung mga gusto mong mangyari? So ito that time, ito yung kinompute ko 3 million, 'di ba? Na house and lot. Again, this was more than 10 years ago. Not sure kung meron pa to ngayon. Kotse na 2 million, SUV. Savings 1 million. So may 6 million total. Tama? Actually, maliit pa to. Itong pangarap na to. So sabihin lang natin yan, you are able to save 10,000 a month. Diba? Sa upper right, makita mo yan. Times 12 months, that's 120,000. Times 10 years, that's 1.2 million. Times 50 years, that's 6 million. So right now, if you're 22 years old, ma-achieve mo yan at age 70. Ilan? 50 years old plus, 72 years old. Yung 6 million. Ang problem dito sa example na to, number 1, nakakapag-save ka ba ng 10,000? Or ako, nakakapag-save ba? At that time, yan ang sahod ko sa China Bank, 10,000 a month. Number 2, di ba, ang question, kung yan pa rin ba yung halaga ng, di ba, house and lot, kotse, or even yung value ng 1 million after 50 years, yun pa rin ba yun? Kasi yung 1 million ngayon, iba na yan after 50 years, di ba? Iba na yung mabibili, di ba? I'm not sure kung familiar kayo with inflation. Noong unang panahon, baka may mga familiar sa inyo dyan, mga kaising edad ko, nung panahon natin, 500 pesos, 1,000 pesos, puno yung cart ng mga SM. Question right now ba, yung 500, 1,000, napupuno pa ba yung cart ng SM? Or basket na lang? Or baka hawak-hawak mo na lang yan? Tama ba? So yun yung inflation. So yun yung ibig sabihin na yung 1 million na savings mo, yes, sabihin na natin ma-achieve mo after 50 years. Question, 1 million pa rin ba siya? So ito yung maganda in USANA. Again, we're not guaranteeing anything, pero in the next 1 to 2 years, if gagawin mo siya ng tama, you can become a gold director. Ano ibig sabihin ng gold director? Earning 200,000 a month. So yung 200,000 a month, sige na, yung 100,000 sa'yo na yun, gastusin mo na yun, i-enjoy mo na yun. Pero yung 100,000 na kalahati, ilaan natin para dito sa mga pangarap na to, sa house and lot, sa kotse, sa savings. Okay lang ba yun? So ano pwede mangyari? 100,000 times 12 mas that's 1.2 million in a year. Times 5 years, that's 6 million. So ito yung sinasabi na it's not all about the money. Don't get us wrong. It's not all about that. It's more of saving time. Kasi kung pwede mo na ma-achieve itong mga bagay na to in the next 5 to 10 years, di ba? Versus, medyo malabo na talaga yung isang solution kasi medyo malabo. So, sabi nga dito, nothing's worse than missed opportunity to change your life. Okay? Ito, very quick lang. Ayan, ito yung aking projection that time. Diba? Finance graduate. Ayan, employee. So, at 2009, I was earning 10,000 a month. So, sabi na natin, napakagaling kong empleyado. Every 5 years, napopromote ako. So, additional income of 5,000. So, 30,000 yon after 5 years. So, sa'yo sana, ito yung good news. Kung yung sa employment ko, yan yung best case scenario. Etong Usana, ito yung worst case scenario. So, paano to? Sabi natin, first year mo, medyo petics, hindi pa talaga full blast, you're earning 10,000 part-time. After a year, saka ka lang $100, which is around 20,000 na ngayon, more than 20,000. After a year, $200, which is more than 40,000 na to ngayon. Luma na yung slide. $400, ayan, 80,000. So after 5 years, question, sa mga first time dito, question, after 5 years, nag-100,000 ka sa Usana, pwede na ba yun? After 5 years, type nga natin, pwede na. Sa mga first time, or sa lahat na lang, kahit hindi first time. Pwede na ba? After 5 years, paldo na. Tama pwede na Tama kasi walang ganun sa work. Walang ganun sa work. And ayan, so that's the power of passive residual leverage income na where na pinoprovide ng Usana business. Hindi ko na i-detalye to but may limitation kasi talaga doon sa tinatawag na employment and self-employed side. Why? Kasi sa employment, self-employed, di ba, you work for money. No work, no pay. Di ba? Sabi natin, okay ka right now, pero once you stop working, you stop earning, magkasakit ka, you stop earning. Pero with the right side of the quadrant, yan sabi nga ni Robert Kiyosaki, Rich Dad Poor Dad, yan yung tinatawag na rich side or passive income. Why? Kasi dito, you're building systems na tipong dumating yung time, tumanda ka, kahit wala ka gaanong effort na sa business mo or sa investment mo, because may system na working for you, yung income mo ay tuloy-tuloy. Ayan. So, yan. Sa left is no work, no pay. Sa right, sa simula, yes, may effort, income maliit pa, pero darating yung time, kahit yung less yung effort mo, income mo tuloy-tuloy. So, ito pa. Pwede mo din gawin to, di ba? I-project mo, di ba? What if walang Usana? Sabihin na natin, walang Usana. Ano yung pwede mangyari sa'yo, di ba? In the next, 40 years. So sabi dito, when 25 today reach 60, ito daw yung based on statistics. Dito based sa akin sa statistics to. 1% will be wealthy, 4% will be financially independent, 5% will need to work. Kahit 60 years old na, will need to work. Why? Because of, syempre dalawa yan. May mga tao naman na gusto nalang mag-work. Actually ako, hindi sa wala naman ako planong mag-retire. Kasi nga, this is something na may value talaga na provide sa tao Why stop, diba? Stop doing it kung nakikita mo na marami nagbe-benefit from it. Tama? Pero may mga tao na walang choice. Not sure kung narinig niyo yung balita na yung dating principal tapos nag-work sa same school as janitress dahil walang option. Walang option or kailangan niyang kumita. So, yung maganda dito sana, diba? Whether gawin mo to ng 60, 70, may mga makikita ka dito 75, is because sila nakikita nila na may value diba? It's not just a business, it's a mission-based business. It's a purpose-driven business. And ayun, 27% will be dead, ayan, and 63% will be broke. So, question dyan, sa ginagawa mo right now, walang Usana, sa ginagawa mo right now, saan ka dinadala? Okay? Again, we're not saying lahat yan, pero yung most of the people outside, napupunta talaga doon sa 63% will be broke. Or yun nga, dependent sa anak, sa pamilya for their daily needs. So, life is short, di ba? Hindi porket 20 years old, I'm not sure kung anong edad mo right now, pero if you're 20 years old, mabilis lang po ang panahon. If wala kang gagawing iba starting today, magulat ka na lang, magising ka na lang, ay, wait lang, ba't ganito, ba't ito yung nangyayari? So make sure, kahit bago ka, di ba, set the goal, set the plan, work out mo na, mag-business ka na, simulan mo na. So, ayun, sabi dito, if you really love your children, get a business, not a job. Because when you die, your children cannot inherit your job, but they can definitely inherit your business. So, ito yung sikreto ng mga multi-millionaire. Diba? Yung iba nagtatanong, diba? Ba't si Henry C. gusto pa niyang palakin yung SN. Ang greedy naman, ganyan-ganyan. Pero most of them, diba, they just fall, not being masyadong, religious, but it's all biblical. Alam niyo ba yun? Na nasa Bible, sabi sa Bible, a good man leaves inheritance to his children's children. A good man leaves inheritance to his children's children.
So mommy quit her job and because she loves me.
Yeah, leaves children at children. Ayan. So meaning, diba? Yeah, Henry C, diba? Na-build up yung SM. Pero right now, wala na si Henry C, tama? Pero yung anak niya at yung apo-apo niya, baka nga sa ika-7th generation pa eh, they would benefit. Okay? Ayan na yung children mentor. Tama eh, di ba? And more. Tama. 2 generations pa. So, ang question, sa employment ba may ganito? Wala. So, we really need to build a business that can really kaya niya mag-operate kahit wala na tayo. And kaya ba ng Usana yun? Nagagawa ba yun sa Usana? For that good news, for the last 30 years, marami ng ganyang stories na tipong from lolo, tinransfer negosyo sa anak, nag-benefit yung anak, pinalago pa ng anak, tapos right now, nasa mga apo na yung negosyo nila. 3 generations na. So, kaya maganda talaga mag-attend tayo ng mga major events, mga international events, kasi doon natin makikita sa international yung mga ganong, alam mo yung family business na tipong apo na, umabot na sa apo yung negosyo. So, ayan. So, sabi dito, never depend on single income. Make investment to create a second source. Diba? Like right now, actually, this is the best time to start second income. Especially nga, not sure kung hanggang kailan ba tong price increase, diba? Yung again, sabi nga, diba, after 2 months na maubos daw yung oil, maubos daw yung, hopefully not, diba? Pag-pray natin yan. Yung gas, isipin nyo na lang walang gas, walang fuel sa mga gas station, tas walang kuryente. Kasi syempre, I'm not sure hindi ako expert, pero nga, parang ang alam ko kasi yung kuryente natin dito, marami pa rin nag-ooperate mga fuel eh. So, ayan. So, ang goal natin is marami tayong options. That's the goal. It's not all about the money, it's the options. Na mag-imbak na ngayon ng mga pagkain, mag-imbak na ngayon ng mga basic needs. So, other factors why I decided to start Usana. It's a health investment. Actually, this business ito lang yung business na walang risk. Kasi it's also a health investment. Worst case na pwede mangyari sa inyo, healthy kayo, healthy yung pamilya. Diba? Actually, meron ako nakita dito may nakita ako sa audience kanina, not sure kung nandito pa siya. Ay, parang wala na. Ayun, nandito nga si Brother Sense. Ayan, si Brother Sense, imagine 8 years or 2018. Tama, no? 6 years, 8 years. Siyang gumagamit ng product without the business. So, why? Because it's a health investment. Kailangan natin siya. Kailangan ng family natin. So, 100% products, you can sell it or for personal use. So, depende yan sa'yo. Pwedeng gamitin ng family. 2 years before expiry date. So, yun nga, worst case scenario, after a year mo pa ma-dispose yung product, diba? Grabe naman. Flexible payment terms, may pwedeng cash, pwedeng credit card, pwedeng installment. Risk-free, sabi nga, risk-free business. So ano pa, may free business pang kasama na walang empleyado, 'di ba? Or walang binabayang empleyado. Actually, we have employees, imagine nyo na lang for the amount of 20 to 30,000 or to 50,000, may negosyo ka, may empleyado ka, pero hindi mo pinapasweldo yung mga empleyado mo. Not sure kung nakapunta na kayo office, advice ko, punta tayo ng office. Meron tayo si Kuya Guard, di ba? Yung mga tao natin sa Wilco, sa cashier, they're all working for us, pero hindi tayo nagpapasweldo sa kanila. It's because nga ganun yung system ng negosyo na sasalihan natin. No place to rent, wala kang babayaran, libre pa yung office for you to use. May internet pa, may tubig, may hot water. Ayan. May paminsan, di ba? No huge inventory. Okay, research and development team. Imagine we invest more than $10 million a year for research and development. Sales and marketing support, proven credible company for more than 30 years na. Global business operation 24/7. Your business can operate kahit natutulog ka. Less operation cost, expenses. Ito na. So what happened when I decided to improve myself and continue to grow yung aking Usana business? So, ito honestly, first 2 months medyo naging pasaway. Wala halos. Pero one time nga, bigla akong kinausap ni mentor na, Mike, kamusta? Ano ba plano mo? So, after nun, medyo nagising. So, 3rd month of the business, or nga, actually nga, mga last few weeks of my 2nd month, kumita na extra 2,000. So, hindi naman gaano kalakihan, but, diba, for me, 2,500, malaking bagay na yan. Why? Kasi for us sa China Bank, to earn additional na ganong amount, after a year pa. Why? Kasi every year, merong increase na 1,000. So, diba, ganong katagal para magkaroon ng increase. So, okay lang. So, 2,500, sige, negosyo naman to wala na, diba, actually, kung familiar kayo with other businesses, after 2 years ka pa talaga kumikita. At first, medyo balik puhunan pa lang, medyo pinapaikot mo pa lang yung puhunan. So, nangyari next, 3rd month, I was able to earn 8,000 part-time. 4th month was 12,000 part-time. 5th month, ito na, di ba? With Usana kasi, it's exponential yung growth. Gawin mo lang yung tamang effort mo everyday. Kahit pa magulat ka, kahit same lang effort mo everyday, which is nga, sabi natin 3 to 4 people, kausap mo everyday, magulat ka na lang na yung income mo lumalaki versus yung effort na pinuput in mo sa business. Why? Again, because of the system na meron tayo. So, 40,000 part-time, and then, 10th month in the business, doon ako nag-decide na mag-resign. Why? Kasi that time, I was averaging na 100,000 part-time. So, yung mga tao, nagtanong, Mike, totoo ba talaga part-time yan? So, kung titingnan nyo sa left side, yan yung last payslip ko sa China Bank. Magkano? Basic salaries, 13,100. Less deductions. So, may 1,500 na deduction. So, take home ko is 4,700 kinsenas katapusan. So, malaki po ba yan? Malaki po yan. Yung 4,700, 1,530, malaki po yan. Malaking kahihiyan. Ayan. Anyway, pero imagine nyo na, pay date. Ano yung pay date? April 30, 2010. So, tingnan nyo sa right side, anong date? April 30 din, 2010. So, yung sa left was my last paycheck sa China Bank. Ito naman, ito yung kasabay niya. April 30, 2010. So, 100,000 part-time. So, pwede. Tama? Pwede na. So, after 2 years, at age 24, I became a gold director. I was averaging $1,000 per week, which is, nung panahon namin, was 184 or 165,000. Siyempre, may mga taxes tayo. And siyempre, lumab life. Diba? Kailangan din namang lumab life. Medyo, ayan. Hindi naman. Ayan. Pero siyempre, kailangan mag-set ng goals din. Diba? Goals. Family goals. And then, at age, naging Ruby Director. At age 32 years old, naging Ruby Director. So, ayan naman, lumalabas yung 100,000. Ayan. So may mga leadership bonuses din tayo, mga matching bonus. Ito pala yung good news. Ito yung income nung panahon namin. Pero right now, palitan is 55 pesos per dollar. Kung yung same effort namin dati, same effort nyo ngayon, mas malaki yung balik. Plus, may mga sales bonus pa right now, may milestone bonus, na nung panahon namin, wala pa po yan.
Father,
So, ayan, syempre eventually, everything will follow. Again, not to impress, but to express yung mga possible na mangyari sa atin. So, at age, actually 10 months in the business, bumili ako ng second-hand car, tapos after a year, and binenta ko yun, tapos bumili ng brand new, and then eventually nagdagdag na lang. Ayan, mga travels natin, like Cape Town, Korea, Australia. So, hindi ko talaga yan may isip if wala ako sa Isana. Diba? Like, for example, sa China Bank lang ako, medyo, yung magbuhol nga lang kami with yung mga China Bank office mates ko, medyo hirap na yung sa contribution sa Bohol Travel What more tong mga to, diba? Ayan, syempre yung wedding goal. Okay, sino ba dito yung malapit na? Ayan, sa Batanes po kami prenup, and then ayan, sa Glass Garden po yung sa right side sa may Pasig yan. And then, ayan, family goal, family trips. And again, yung health goal. And then, ang maganda rin with Isana, it really encourages us to be healthy, to be active. So, ayan, nakakapayat po yung products. Basta lang gamitin natin ng tama. So, Ruby Inca, may mga recognitions din. And yan, dito po kami nakatira sa may Taguig. Diyan po ako naglalaro dyan sa may basketball court. Kaya po nangingitim ngayon. And then yan. Siyempre may mga future goals din tayo. Pero ito yung na-value ko sa lahat, yung time flexibility. Every morning, as in grabe yung preparation namin. Ako nag-attend, ako din nagsusundo sa aming daughter na nag-aaral na right now. And ayun, ang good news, hindi lang ako. So marami pa kami. And actually this is under my organization. So marami na din yung naging gold director, ruby director, emerald director, diamond director. So meron din mga kumikita more than me. So Isana is a very fair business. Okay? Most people kasi when they enter this business, mga ganitong type of business, parang inisip nila ay sila lang kumikita. But diba, ang good news with our business, yan, like Mentor Mas, yan, one of my parts ng organization, pero is way, grabe yung kanyang result na Isana. And sabi nga dito, success is doing what you want, when you want, where you want, with whom you want, as much as you want. Yun po yung tinatawag na success. And ayan, so again, marami pa. Diba? From different walks of life, may mga negosyante na, may mga nasa government, merong mga CPAs, merong hindi ko na isa-isa yung lahat. May mga dean ng school, FEU, engineers, professors. Meron din naman yung itong nasa upper left, nakita nyo, Jitsar dito. Imagine, background niya is LPG delivery boy. LPG delivery boy. Pero nga, he was willing to learn. Gusto niya mabago yung buhay niya. Inahal niya to, trinabaho niya. Meron din dito PWD. Hindi ko lang, wala lang, ayan. Nasa gold director sa last panghuli. Ayan, may naka-wheelchair. Makita niyo may naka-wheelchair. Ayan, Chris Sardido, naka-wheelchair yan. Pero makikita mo yan when he was starting. Naka-wheelchair yan, papuntang office. Hanggang ngayon naman naka-wheelchair, pero may kotse na siya. Yan, because of Isana. Meron din mga seafarers, kapitan ng barko. So, dito sa Isana, it's open for everyone. Basta nga. And maganda, they're open for this opportunity. Kasi nakita nila yung passive income, residual income. Again, even the vice president ng company, judge, owner ng Toyota dealership. So again, this is for everyone. Basta lang yan, we're willing to learn, willing to really grow ourselves para at least makuha yung success in Isana. So good news, di ba? If we can do it, you can do it. Di ba? And yeah, ito yung imagine na even yung mga Koreans, makikita nyo sa mga events, Koreans, Taiwanese, from different walks of life and countries, they're also doing Usana. So again, uulitin ko to yung na-share ni Coach Lyra. If somebody offers you, sa mga hindi familiar kay Richard Branson, hindi po siya tapos ng college. High school graduate lang po siya, pero he owns more than 200, 300 companies. Isa na yung tinatawag na yung Virgin Galactic. Ayan, mga Virgin Cola, kung naabutan nyo yun, Virgin Galactic, Virgin Airlines sa kanya yan, and a lot of companies. Virgin Group of Companies. So sabi niya, 'di ba? Paano niya ba nakuha yung success niya in life? Sabi niya, if someone offers him an amazing opportunity. Kasi hindi siya tapos eh. Wala siyang college eh. Wala siyang napapatunayan sa buhay. Pero nga, if someone offers you an amazing opportunity, pero but you are not sure if you can do it, di mo alam paano mo siya gagawin, paano ka maging successful, just say yes. Nakita mo eh, maganda. Di mo alam, okay lang yan. Say yes. Then learn how to do it later. Yun yung naging motto niya. Nakita niya opportunity sa nakalaban ng Coca-Cola. Nakita niya opportunity na magtayo ng Virgin ng airlines. Hindi niya alam paano gagawin yun. Hindi niya alam saan kukuha ng funds. Pero yun, nakita niya, inaral niya, ayun, learn how to do it later. And right now, he's very successful. So that ends my sharing. Journey with us and be part of the healthiest family on earth. So I'll give the mic back to our host.
Thank you po, Mentor Mike, no? Marami kaming learnings and realizations tonight. Ayun nga, sabi nga ni Mentor, ibalik ang mga pangarap. Ayan, pasalamatan naman po natin si Mentor dahil po sa oras na inilaan niya. So, talaga po siya, no, mag-help sa atin para mas maintindihan natin kung ano ba ito. Ayan, bago po tayo magkahiwa-hiwalay, meron po tayong picture taking with Mentor Mike and Coach Lyra. Ayan, salamat po, Mentor. Please open your cameras. Sino pong pwedeng kumuha po?
Ako na, Coach. Ayan. Sige, so open your camera para kasama sa picture taking. Okay, game. 1, 2, 3, and smile. Okay, got it.
Thank you everyone for joining. Salamat, Mentor, sa inyong pong oras. Muli, no? Open na ang breakout room. Paki-click lang po. Ayan. Maraming salamat, Coach Lyra, sa lahat po ng mga guests natin at yung mga kasama po natin dito. Again, I wish you health, no? At mabuhay po ang lahat. Ayan. Thank you.